Hello everyone. Welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you and tell you how to unlock in WhatsApp on iPhone. Write in the comments whether you succeeded in my way or not. I will definitely read and answer. Also share this video with your friends. Please subscribe to the channel. Like it. Let's get started. To do this, we need to go to WhatsApp on your iPhone or iPad. And then here we have calls, contacts, chats, settings. We click on Settings. Then we open the Privacy tab. Here we scroll down and find Blocked. We go here and here we see all the blocked users that we've ever blocked. We can scroll down here and find any number. And if we want to unblock it, we click on it. It shows their profile, contact info, and phone number. We scroll down to the bottom and it says unblock and the phone number. We click unblock and then we can unblock the person. Now he can send us messages, make audio calls, and videos. That's how easy it is to do it. And if you liked and helped this video, you can subscribe to the channel, like it. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.